A short link is a compressed URL that acts as a redirect and allows a web page to be accessible under more than one URL address, enabling both the original URL and short links URL to direct the user to the same page. Short links should be considered by every business to emphasize their brand and serving their customers. Short links are a great way to consider for your business because prevent looking spammy and build trust. Reach your customers and keeping them updated with relevant content. Maximize your reach through social media by saying more in fewer characters. Short links are crucial for the online presence of businesses and help in building customer satisfaction and gain their trust by providing valuable analytics. They are very useful to improve and maintain search engine optimization. Along with building customers' trust and engagement, short links can also be used to build brand awareness and to measure the accessibility of your brand. They are very beneficial for a marketing campaign as they are custom-made and can be continually used by companies by redirecting them to updated content. Benefits of short links. Using your brand name in your link ensures the consistent presence of your brand irrespective of the channel. Brand consistency is a crucial factor in creating greater brand awareness and can impact the bottom line of your business. URL shorteners come in handy to customize and shorten your URL links, and one of the latest trends of URL shorteners is Onpassive's OTrim that comes with multiple features. Short links are of two main varieties. The first type consists of a standalone service that is not combined with the social media content management system. The second type is hooked directly into a system allowing short links to be used on other platforms. Short links are beneficial for businesses to create brand awareness with social media marketing. Many URL shorteners, including Onpassive's OTrim, come with tracking analytics. Unlike lengthy links, the short links can be tracked in real time. Information on audience demographics and click-through rates can be availed instantly. This information helps to measure the popularity of the entire campaign. The other metrics that can be tracked are the day of the week on which the link was clicked, in which social media channel, at what time and which device is used, the information of its operating system, and more options availed with paid subscriptions. How short links help in branding your business. There are many ways in which short links help to grow your brand. They help to promote sharing and fits more content in less space. Short links have become an integral part of businesses for this purpose. The ways in which short links helps in growing your brand are as follows. Promote your business offline. Short links are easily shareable and can even be used to print them on t-shirts or leaflets for offline campaigns and can easily be included in the PowerPoint slide as a part of the presentation. Therefore, short links are a viable option for printed links and can help promote your business offline. Adding QR code for your branded links is highly recommended for brand promotions. Build stronger engagement with the audience. Short links can generate more clicks compared to lengthy URLs because they are easily shareable by social media users. More clicks allow more visitors to your website, thereby allowing each one of them to become a lead. Therefore, short links help businesses to build more robust engagement with customers and gain their trust. Faster growth on Twitter. The original reason for the popularity of short links is Twitter. It comes with a character limit for tweet length, and every character of the URL is counted. Posting long links would make you run out of characters, and this is the main reason why short links came into existence. Twitter users are more engaged with short links, and brands with Twitter accounts can grow their brand awareness faster using short links. Get insights for better campaigns. Another valuable feature of short links is web analytics, which helps business owners track the number of clicks on each link and provide them with information about the number of website visitors using short links and their demographics. These analytics can be used by businesses to plan future campaigns more efficiently. Short links enable auto-branding for your business and give you better insights into how the visitors are consuming your content. This information makes your brand messaging and communication even more effective. Conclusion. Startup companies are increasingly taking advantage of the functionality of short links and using them extensively to share across social media as a part of their brand awareness and engaging with customers. Short links come with a feature of recognizing customers' device and operating system, thereby directing them to the right content in the mobile web or brand's application. They don't interfere with SEO boosting efforts and easily integrate with business workflow with the leading publishing platform. A Bill Must production.